Hi guys! Today I will show you how to cook stir-fried baby bok choy with garlic. I will tell you all my tips and technique how I make it very crisp and tender.
I will tell you how to choose a good fresh bok choy. First, the leaves should perky and firm. Try to avoid the leaves that have a black spot. That kind of leaves don't look good and don't taste good either. Another important point, can you see the layers of the bok choy leaves? There is quite a lot of soil and sometimes even bugs. So, let's follow my step to have a nice and clean bok choy. Start by slicing off the bottom exposed end of the bok choy. Don't cut too much, then cut it in half, lengthwise. Can you see that? The soil and the bugs I talked about earlier. They like to hide between the layers of the leaves. If you got quite a big bok choy, instead of cutting in half, then cut into quarters, so it will be easier to eat and easier to wash. Now bring them to wash in a full big bowl of water. Try to wash it 4 to 5 pieces at a time to make sure each leaf is cleaned thoroughly. Take your time to wash it gently because the bok choy leaves are quite easy to get bruised. I washed the bok choy for about 3 rounds. Can you see how much soil and dirt in the water? So make sure you do the same as I did to have a really clean bok choy for yourself. After that, drain and set the bok choy aside.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate notification bell. Like that, you will never miss a recipe.
Now prepare the garlic. Smash it, then remove its skin. And finally chop it. For the sauce, it's almost the same as the one I used to cook sauteed green beans. Check the link above if you haven't seen it. But in today's recipe, I add some sugar and red oil chilies for more flavors and smell.
Now everything's all ready, so let's get started.
In a pan with medium heat, add enough oil to fry the chopped garlic until it turns into a nice yellow color.
By the way, if you would like to have the written recipe of this video or any from my channel, you can go check on my Patreon page.
Add the baby bok choy. Now toss until the garlic completely covers the bok choy. Then add the sauce that we made earlier. After that, toss everything once again until the sauce fully covers the leaves. And don't cook too long or the bok choy will not be crisp and tender anymore. Place it nicely on a plate and at this moment, you will smell all the fried garlic, the sesame oil, the sauce, and the chili oil. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and even chili oil or chili flakes if you prefer spicier.
It's very crispy and very juicy. If you like to see more stir-fried vegetables, go check this playlist. You will love it. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and shove that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย